Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? All right, great. BA? Yeah, it's a troubled company in a troubled sector. I'm surprised it took so long for this thing to break down. The big troubles for Boeing started already a year ago, but it never went lower because the market was so... Yeah. Unless you do it for a short mean reversion trade. You know, I mean, I guess anything could. But this is not a financially sound company. Yeah, SPICE 235. Is 235 the level? Oh, we're very close to 15-minute break. That's great. Good news is China is getting back to normal. That's good news. But obviously things in the US will get much worse before they get better. That I am certain. And Europe too. There's also two short setups I'm watching today, APRON and BNTX. I'm not gonna go crazy on these things, but I have them on my radar, definitely. Yeah, exactly. This thing was at 115 and the APRON. But both of these have tripled. This thing has actually quadrupled, but BNTX is... We'll see. I'm not super excited, but if I see a good setup, I'll... And obviously I'm watching this TVIX. I'm probably not going to trade it much. I'm just looking for some kind of backside. And preferably some kind of relative weak compared to the markets. Right now it just goes to 1,000, it looks like. Yeah, it's a 17 bagger. I can't believe I sold my long in the, was it low hundreds? 90s or something? Oh my god. Oh my god. I got a double on my long. Or my first entry. My lowest entry. I had double on it. Sold it. Could have been a 10 bagger. Oh well. A bunch of China names for it today. And one Brazilian. But I have no interest in earnings related stuff right now. Everything is trading with the market, pretty much. Let's see what we get here. It's fading, it's a thin name. Why is my TC2000 so... feels very slow here. I did a starter of TVIX, but I haven't touched APRON or BN. Looks like they both found support and are bouncing right. APRON is back near the high, so they actually took out the high. So BNTX is thin stock. I don't think I will. You don't think maybe it's just lag, platform lag. Yeah, the SPICE, you can 60-minute chart the technical levels. Like it's been building lower highs all the way. It can't get up above this this yellow line, this 20 period line on the 60. Just keep selling it every time it tries. Oh, VXR 41%. I'm so... Oh, okay. I thought all my virus was actually deleted. Oh, IBIO is fine. IBIO. INO found support on this rising 20 moving average. Some of these virus plays are setting up, in my opinion. Yeah, you can just see the relative strength on TVIX. TVIX is about to take highs highest of the day, where SPICE are not near the lows. So I just got stopped out of my starter. There's still so much strength in this. Incredible strength. NVAX, yeah, not bad. There's actually a bunch of them. The 60-minute and daily. AYTU has AYTU. AHPI has no volume, totally liquid, but it looks very similar to these others. Codex also been building higher lows. HTBX to take out high lows of the day. No, wait, what? Now I think my... No, not E-Signal. My TC2000 is fried. One of my platforms is TC2000. Because PNTX is not at 89.22. Nope, it's like 80... No, is it hold? It's not. It's like 80... Yep. TC2000 is full. It's been holding up so well over the past few weeks. But now it looks like E-Signal has better data. Super annoying. TC2000 was fine just like 5 minutes ago. Anyone else having problems with TC2000 data? Oh, now it got unstuck. It looks there for a while. BNTX. Okay, now it looks alright. Yeah, my data got stuck for a few minutes. Never mind. Looks good now. I'm not getting any data for V. Very interesting. NVAX took out this range here. Alright. APRON had a big move down just now. Tesla. Codex? Not yet. AYT. Okay, AYTU just crapped. Keep my alert on it. Taking it off here. I am watching this blue APRON, but it needs to tighten up before I short it. Could go red on the day. No. Lake is strong. Interesting, Lake is much stronger than APT, and APT was the leader like a month ago. Is there anything on my scans? No. This BMRA, Bio... Oh, okay. Another Corona name. There's just so many of them. Wow, DWT, that's... Yeah, that's why Apron is up. Nah, I don't know if I want to short. I'm probably not gonna... Even if it takes out lows of the day. It feels like they want to take this thing to 15 or something. It really feels like that. Just like they did with APT and Codex, and they just kept going. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch Apron. I won't. And BNTX is not today at least. Pix is still, it's hanging out near the highs of the day. While SPYs are kinda in the middle of the range. So yeah. Yep, there's clearly just like there's been for a long time now. Reversal in oil, dude, I have no, oh, it's the one. No, I have no idea. Look, this commodities, it's just impossible to know. I don't know. At this point, no. But I am watching this DWT ETF on the back side. If it gets to the back side, interesting short. Again, 99% catch it today. But heck, if this thing goes to 50 or 100 or something, who knows? Maybe I will be interested. But right now, no. Why is this IB a PR? Oh, okay. Yes, they had a PR. Yep, another leg higher. Oh, it's just a patience game here. There are some individual names I'm stalking, both on the long and the short side. But other than that, for me personally, there's not much to do here. I think there's gonna be some incredible opportunities in the near future. But right now, it's all about not doing crazy. I am not happy with the way I've traded TVIX. I've been too aggressive on it, and I haven't waited for backside. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna wait for backside. I did trade opening range lows, but that's something I always... But, you know, unless it takes out lows of the day, I'm probably not gonna trade it. It's still holding up so well. Hanging out near the highs. Well, SPYs are about to take out its high. Incredible. It needs to start the showness compared to the SPYs to really size. It could take another several days or several weeks, who knows. These things are mathematically calculated. It's not the supply demand. Oh yeah, TQQ is already taking out yesterday's highs. Or sorry, today's highs. Yep, SPYs are at the highs of the day, and TVIX is not even near the lows. Too bad we're not going. I would have really liked to see. So for 2 days in a row, we undercut the previous day's lows and then rallied. Same thing had undercut, rally, and today undercut, rally. Maybe a sign, a bottoming attempt, but unless we take out this downtrending line, we are not gonna be in great shape. This TDOC is gonna be a big winner in the next, once the market stops going down. Probably needs at least a few more weeks to base here. Technically, it's just so strong, and they're one of these companies that are benefit enormously from the coronavirus bull. Zoom also. We are not in a breakout. Buy a breakout. I'm gonna cut the stream in like 5 minutes. There's not much going on for me. Well, vaccine is gonna take a while. The problem is like making a vaccine is it doesn't take long, but it needs to be tested like for safety before you start vaccinating. I know mRNA they're running a study right now where I think they're like 40 or 60 people in this study. So they're vaccinating, and then they're gonna wait for like several months and see if there are any adverse. And after that, yeah, I don't know. Maybe someone develops a miracle medicine that cures the short amount of time. But yes, as soon as we start getting some good news about a potential vaccine or some kind of a medicine, I think that will mark the bottom, potentially. But who knows? I try not to speculate about events like that because I really have no idea about it. I just try to treat the price action. Right now, well, I think once the market stops going down on bad news, or even starts going higher on bad news, that would be a very good sign. But right now, every piece of bad news, the market takes a dump lower, so that's not a good sign. And we really haven't had any good news. Yep, grub apron is taking out highs. Okay, let's do one more scan, and then we'll see. Rad is incredibly strong. On the weekly chart, it's trying to reclaim the declining 100 Clorox. All right, okay, that's for me today. I am probably in the APRN. Twick, I am going to stop in at the lows of the day, because now it wants to take out the lows of the day. Okay, thanks, and I will see you tomorrow.